Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be opening this package so you can see what's inside. And as you can see from the title, you already know what's inside. So this only took 2-3 days to get to my house, so didn't take long at all. And I just let it sit for a week because COVID. Woohoo! Big package here. So it's 1157 LED bulbs, error free. So these aren't supposed to throw a code, but we'll see. So apparently they're 180, something about 180. Like if they do throw a code, throw them 100 or twist them 180 degrees the other way, and they shouldn't throw a code. So I bought these because I have those blue LEDs and it just doesn't go good with the amber switchbacks. Plus these just look better in general. So. These were only, I'll put the link in the description, they were only like $30, $36 I think. So, that's them there. I'm gonna go ahead and install these. Hey, meter. Removing this just because I'm messing around with electrical. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bumper instead of doing it from underneath. For one, I don't want to lay on the ground. For two, all those bolts under the fender are pretty rusted and they're kind of annoying to get back in. There's like 4 or 5 of them, plus there's clips. So I feel like if I just take off the 4 bolts, unclip the bumper, push it forward, leave everything connected underneath, then I can just reach in and get to those. Well, maybe I'll just have to take these clips off and I can leave the bottom ones. So let's try that.
Ooh.
Why is that so hard? It was never that hard before. That looks broken to me. It's because it is broken. There's actually a screw there.
Oh, I'm so mad that I didn't, that I totally forgot about this bolt on the other side.
Okay, so you take off those 4 10 mils on the top, and then you take off these 2 clips, and then absolutely do not forget to take this off because that's what's holding your bumper in place. As you see, I broke it right there, but hopefully hopefully the clip is enough to keep it in there. So now we're gonna go ahead and pop this off. Oh yeah, that comes off way easier. Can't believe I was forcing that.
Oh, I should have just did this from the bottom.
Because the bumper's still way too connected to pull it down like I was hoping.
So you take these 2 bolts off, this clip and this bolt, and then I think that's everything connecting the bumper to the plastic. And you repeat on the other side.
There, so I'm not gonna go ahead and remove the other side just so the bumper stays up and doesn't fall right on the ground. Now we can see what the hell's going on. Jeez. Should have did this 15 minutes ago.
There. All right. So those are snug in there. There we go. Now, I have no idea how the LED fits in these. That's kind of a piss off.
I had the LED bulb there. It fell in there. I had to go ahead, remove this. And when I went to grab it, it fell on that metal thing. And when I went to grab it, it fell on the plastic. So anyways, for the past 15 minutes, I've been chasing that LED. Finally got it. So I'm going ahead, remove the headlight. 2 bolts here. There's also a bolt here. And there's also a bolt there. So now that the headlight is moving, should be able to come out. See if I can reach these bulbs now. Oh, there we go. This would be a perfect time to clean these friggin' things. There. Okay. As you can see, look how dirty that is. Like, I watched Leo Garrett's video and it's really tempting to clean these, but I just don't have the money for all this stuff right now. So now, let's see if we can find that 1157 bulb. Is this it? No, this is just a little tiny bulb. I wonder if my license plate light bulb would fit in that.
There we go. So go ahead.
So yeah, these bulbs here are literally the same bulbs that I had for my LED lights from my license plate. And speaking of which, one of them did burn out and they kind of flicker, so I don't know. But anyways, I'm putting these in. These were only like 12 bucks. I got like 10 of them, so it's no big deal. I gave some to my dad, I gave some to my buddy. And I'm just gonna go ahead, put this in, make sure that they're working, turn your lights on. Alright, so that is working there. Okay, now go ahead and bolt everything back. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Total waste of time. I don't even know if I'm gonna throw this video up. So as you can see, those are a lot brighter. Before you could barely see them, but yeah, whatever. Gives it something. I want to take these headlights apart, kind of paint those black, do some customization in there, maybe some blue in there. But anyways, sorry guys, really wanted those switched out, but that's it for this video. Pretty boring. Like I said, don't even know if I'm gonna upload this, but stay tuned, more to come. I gotta get my muffler fixed and I'm gonna do a resonator delete. So anyways, till next time, bye.